technology means, and two, what's your name?
On my way home now, I just dropped Evander off at daycare. I have some orders to pack. I'm super excited to be filming a day in the life. Finally, I have had no memory on my phone and just trying to remember to pick up my phone when I'm doing everything is so otherworldly at times. But come along and you will see what I get up to in my day. Hey ladies, I am just sorting out all the orders at the moment and going to print out all the stickers. Thank you so much for all those that ordered recently. I appreciate it more than you could ever know. Words can not explain how much it means to me. The support, you guys, is unwavering and I am very, very lucky. Notice the concentration in my eyes as I'm scouring the laptop, trying to work out what needs to be done. And once I've finished doing that, I will go ahead and do a casual makeup. So I'm doing my makeup so I feel a little bit more human. I know the mums out there can relate. Putting a bit of colour into my face. I realised my skin's pretty clear. I had very, very bad skin when I was younger. But yeah. Not the best. That's a little bit clear. Perfect. I have to put a bit of the body butter on from Glam Body. Oh, I'm obsessed. It's the, look how beautiful that is. It's super soft. Just look at that. It's keeping my skin. Ah, it smells so good. Oh, I can't wait for our product. Ah. Oh, I love it. I'll put a little bit on my neck. Oh, it smells so good, babe. Love it. This one's called For the Boys. I don't care. It's not just for the boys. Ah, it smells so good. Perfect. A little bit of concealer. Not going too crazy. Just want a little bit. I used to think that concealer was just for like hiding pimples, so I never really used to use it. To find out, it also highlights the face. My eyelashes are due to be done. Was meant to get them today. Ran out of time. The car's been playing up, so I need to work that out. It just sets the concealer. This is just the quickness. While that's sitting, bronze the face up. did a makeup course at TAFE. I did not complete it. It was quite hard with a child, so hats off to the ladies that pushed through that. But however, now that I have my own business, I love that I'm able to do my makeup for my photo shoots and stuff rather than having to outsource it. Kinda half tempted to learn how to do my eyelashes as well. And I know how to tan myself, so I mean, they're just all money saving things, and why not, you know? And my eyebrows are so fair, just literally fill them in. Some people like them real dark, some people like them real thick, some people like them real thin. I just like to fill mine in. I have an awesome arch though. New. Alright. So the lighting's not good. Next time I will bring up my ring light. And I've got my highlighter. So pretty. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna leave that. My hair is ratty today. Gonna need to brush it, put it up. Might just use one of our, yep. And I've got pretty thick hair, so that holds it really good. Pulse. Cute, our inked mama jumper. Fix that up. And here's the look for the day. Simple. I think it's pretty natural, not too crazy. But yeah, so now time to pack some orders. So let's continue our day in the life. So I have a few orders that I need to get ready and prep. Sip break. So come with me. Don't mind the mess. So we've got Cherie's order. We got the A, B, C, D, F, U graphic tee. Or you got two of those. 10 to 14. avocado pajamas. Put you down here. That's one order ready. Then we got Olivia's order. She got the Riley Bold red jacket. Riley jacket. We got the Lucy White. That's me. No. Okay. Lucy. Chipper. Place it. Okay. We need 8.